Hi. Hello again. Welcome to a welcome to another video stream of ES Future Steel. Hey Javier. Saturday. Okay. Oh, I was reading a message. Oh, the reason why I'm doing this stream. I wanna see how this market opens today relative to Friday in the lights of the latest events, the geopolitical events. I want to see how the market reacts to that. We know the conditions of the market. We know what the market did here. We talk about that. We also we also be or watched the weekly update from Jim Dalton. This histogram chart looks really interesting. This is the daily, this is the intraday. I'm going to remove these things. Alright. Notice what we have at the lows here. There's a bunch of stops here. I don't think but there's no excess here. All of these stops from this area are still, I believe, are still here. What I think happened is the market just got too short here from the overall trend and from these days as well. Now, all of the short inventory from this area, notice the trend that you have here. This is the intraday, okay? Notice you can place a trend line here around about these stops here. Same thing can be said for these ones and these ones as well. This one still remain. Notice what you have. Notice this trend. You can almost grab a ruler and sit on top of these highs. It's going to kind of fit perfect on top of all these highs here. What do we have above? Truncated highs as well. And I cannot see anymore. 4,500, 4,350 is not that far. 50 points with this volatility. 50 points is achievable in one day. Now there's 2 more minutes before the open. Before the week opens. Now, what happens here? Okay, let me see what else do I need to activate here? I got today here, and yesterday is not going to show because yesterday was Saturday. Less than a minute to the opening. This I have marked this level as the high of the 13-month range. Notice how there was a lot of value being built below this range. and now the market is close above the range. There's huge amount of volume here in these areas, and all these highs are very weak. What is this level here? This level here, this aberration here, I would label, I guess I'd label it as a nuance here with settle. Is that settle? Really? Let me check. Oh, 2 seconds to the opening. Wow, look at that opening. Gosh, look at that. Woo! Look at where this market is. Okay. Look at where the huge amount of selling here. It was just stopped there. Look at that. 800 contracts right there. Somebody's just pushing that one to the low side. Now, it opened way below, alright? That's not a good sign. Way below from settle. I don't do nothing in the overnight, just want to see the opening, how the market opens. Now, notice this low. We know that this is very weak, right? Very thin market. The 4300 is close by. From these 1200 contracts, one trade was made with 800. Somebody tried to stop the market there, and they are just being overrun right now. I want to see if there is something really strong to the upside or to the downside. Notice where this that 7% market also. I mean, that could be coincidence, right? But these two distributions have not been closed. One here, have not been closed. These numbers here are the amount of contracts traded in this day. Notice how we have huge, big volume down here, 15, 16, 17. Medium volume was 10s, 10s, 15s, 18s, and 30, really big one up here. So there's a lot of buying here. What I say buying here? Why I say buying? Because the market was going high. If this was selling, the market would be lower, but it was buying here. All of these longs now, all of these longs, right now, are underwater. Oh, what happened with the bond market? Let me check. How the bond market over there. Ooh, nice spike to the upside in the bond market. Because there's a divergence here. Look at this. I'm going to show it to you. Look at this. No? It's huge, really big gap here, from here to here. It's way up here, way above Friday's range, and this one is going lower. Huh. In these conditions, this is just overnight, right? Forget about that. Overnight is a different animal. Notice that after this big print, no more. There were no other ones. Somebody wanna want to be seen here. Okay, market open here, come up here, come down here, come back up through this. Now it's low again. I know, I got 100 there, 99. Why somebody would buy 99 and not 100? If I can buy 99, I can also buy 100. If the distribution is closes here, the next monitor the trade, monitor for continuation, the next thing for the market will be taking half back or this low and getting into these single points. What will be happening here for 300. The upper side. Okay, I think that was it. This is what I want to see. The market open below, below the saddle. The market open below the pullback low. All right, opening. But still, we still have the whole overnight. No? This is, if the market opens inside this spike or below this spike, all this movement, because the market was having a directional movement, it was having continuation here. All of this trade here, trending day, had continuation here. When the market opens below this pullback, all of this is void. Now we have another situation there here. No? Okay, is this movement? If this movement is going to reject it, is the market going to trade sideways here, or add value below? Is going to, in this case, adding value below actually risk the market. The market is back inside this 3-day range now. As I said again, this is just the overnight. The market is just open. We still have long way to go from here. All right. This is a field sign of weakness. Now, continuation, we see the market closing this distribution, targeting this halfback, this lows again, which risk the market re-entering into this range, which that would be a really bad sign. That would be really bad. Right now, it doesn't pay nothing good. But as I say, it's just the overnight. All right, guys, that was it.